Hi friends, this is Avinash, and recently I have been working on a small research project. I have been trying to predict the stock price direction for daily candle. In stock market, you have for each day opening price, closing price, high and low price. So through this script, you can be able to uh, predict the direction of the movement for a daily candle for the stock market. I have tested it on Indian Stock Exchange, that is NSE, and I have taken data from Yahoo Finance for it, and I have prepared a script for deep learning. Deep learning is used in this script, and it is able to predict the movement of price. Will it be like a green candle or a red candle, or it will be a sideways movement? So the sideways movement can be a small green or small red candle, so it can predict it as well. So for that, we just have to we have two places. One is start date and one is end date. So for predicting the next day's price movement, you have to put the date here. For example, I am also taking reference of uh, trading view, but we will be testing this if the script works well or not. So this script have accuracy of 70% only. I'm trying to make it more accurate. So for example, let us put data of till 23 August 2024. Then it will be trying to predict the next day's data and its price movement. Will it be green, red, or sideways? So we will be putting date as 23 August. I have saved the script and now we will be running it. So what we can see here, that it is showing the candle color will be different from 23/8 2024, which it is saying will be of green color, as our last candle on 23 was red. So it is saying it will be of different color, that is of green color, as we can see, and it confirms our test of one reading. Now let us again try to see more readings if it is correct or not. So let us go to another reading. Let us pick a date after which we want to predict the date of its trend. Will it be green candle or red candle? So let us pick date as 25 September. So I have already done it. Let us run the script. So let us see what outcome we have got. We have got the candle color will be same as on 2024 9/25. So it is saying the 26th candle, the candle on 26th date will be of same color as on 25 September. So which is the case that it is also a green candle as on 26th September as it was on 25 September. So how this script can be useful for traders? So suppose you have put the data of the suppose today is 1st October and you want to predict the movement of price on 2nd of October or 3rd of October, it is a next date. So you should put data of 1st October in your script here in this place. Here you should put it here, and after that you should run the script. And if it says that the candle color will be of different color as on 1st October. So it will be a red candle. In that case, you can short on the next day, and as the movement goes down further, you will gain the money. And in case it says it will be the color of the candle on the 3rd October will be of same color as on 1st October, you can, as a trader, you can purchase some stocks or any options or any futures, and when the price goes up, you can sell at the end of the day and take benefit from this script. So this was all from my side. Thank you very much. Are you interested in getting this script so that you can gain profits from it? So for it, you can subscribe to my Udemy course and tell your name in the comments and with your email ID. I will send a whole script to you. So my course name is STM32. My course is this one, STM32 Programming for Beginners. So in case you purchase this and demand for that script, you will get uh, complete script which I have worked on recently.